Immortal feelings, exhausted hopes, impatient thoughts, shattered words. Standing on the opposite sides of mirror, conflicts made me friend. I was taking breath underwater, but it was not my the end. Intoxicating with the uninvited fear, soul spoke with the soul. Silent birds of my heart's rear, eternal love made me to fall. Rainless clouds of the sky, I was drowning in the air. Jealous wind kissed to the soil with the sigh. Invincible death made my life in the name of her. Invincible death made my life in the name of her. In the name of her. In the name of her.